Hi students, today we are going to learn subject science, and in subject science our first chapter is food. You know food? When we eat food, when we feel hungry, food gives us energy. Yes or no? Okay. So today we are going to learn chapter food. See here first. When we come back from school, home. When we come back home from school, tired and hungry, we ask our mother when we are going to school, and at evening when we come back home from school, that time what we do? That time we tired and hungry. We feel hungry. That time what we do? We ask our mama, ask our mother. What? See, mummy, I am feeling hungry. Is the food ready? See. What we ask mama? I am feeling hungry. Is the food ready? Okay, our body needs energy to move, work and play. Our body needs energy to move, work and play. Okay, every activity need energy, so that energy give us food. This energy comes from food. This whole energy comes from food. Food is essential for all living things. It helps to grow and to fight diseases. Okay, when we are healthy, that time our grow also nice. Okay, we are fit and fight to many diseases. Where from do we get our food? Let us find out. Where we get food? See, sources of food. Sources of food. See first, plants. We get food from plants. How? See, fruits. Where we get fruits? On plant. From the plants, vegetables, cereals, pulses, spices, tea and coffee. These whole things we get from plants. Next, animals. From the animals, which food we get? See, meat, eggs, milk and fish. See here picture. Which picture it is? See? Here some pulses are there, spices, vegetables, and here eggs, milk, and here what? Meat. Okay, plants and animals are two sources of food. Okay, next see components of foods. See, we eat a large variety of food items. We eat large variety of food items. We ask our mama, what you make today, what you cook today, what today's special menu. Yes, no? So, we eat large variety of food items. There are 5 different components in our food called nutrients. There are 5 different components in our food, that is called nutrients. These nutrients are needed for growth, maintenance and repair our body and producing energy. The major nutrients in our food are, see, we want energy. We eat large variety of food items, and in that food items 5 different components, that is called nutrients, and these nutrients are needed for growth, maintenance and repair of our body and producing energy. See, the major nutrients in our food are, which are they? Which are nutrients are in our food? See, first one, carbohydrates. Second, fats. Third one, proteins. Fourth one, vitamin. And fifth one, minerals. See students, these 5 types of nutrients we get from food. So now we learn that nutrients one by one. First one, carbohydrates. The component of carbohydrates are the primary source of energy for all body functions. See, the component of carbohydrates are the primary source of energy for all body functions. Our body breaks down carbohydrates into energy for us by our body. We need carbohydrates for energy for use our body. That is why people who does hard work have to eat more food that are rich in carbohydrates. See, we want more energy when we does hard work. That time we want more energy. Some people does hard work and that people eat more food that are rich in rich carbohydrates. Okay. See, sources of carbohydrates. In which type of food we get carbohydrates? See, first, fruits, vegetables and grains. We get carbohydrates from fruits, vegetables and grains. Second one, milk and its products. We get carbohydrates in milk and milk products and cereals. Okay, in this all food we get carbohydrates. Okay. So next see fats. Second one, fats. Fats provide twice as much energy and calories as do carbohydrates and proteins. See, fats provide twice as much energy and calories. It is the body's major energy storage system. It is fats are body's major energy storage system. Our body uses fat from food for energy to cushion organs and bones and to make hormones and regulate blood pressure. See, fats provide twice as much energy and calories. Our body uses fat from food for energy and cushion organs and bones and to make hormones and regulate blood pressure. Next one, see here, sources of fat. In which food we get fat? So, sources of fat. Animal fat, butter, ghee, milk, meat, fish, etc. And vegetable fat, cooking oil, mustard oil and groundnut oil, etc. We get fat from vegetable, cooking oil, mustard oil, groundnut oil, and animal fat, butter, ghee, milk, meat, fish, etc. Okay, see here these pictures. Oil, ghee, milk, butter and meat. And next one, protein. Proteins are the building blocks that help to grow and repair our body. Proteins are called building blocks that help to grow and repair our body. Proteins are needed not only for muscle but also for hair, skin and internal organs. Proteins are most important, that is needed not only for muscles but our hair, skin and internal organs also. And see sources of protein, animal sources, milk, egg, cheese, meat, fish, etc. And plant sources, pulses, beans, soybean, etc. See here pictures, pulses, peas, meat, cheese, soybean and milk. Okay. So students, in this period we saw carbohydrates, fats and proteins. And next period we saw vitamins. Okay, understood? Thank you.